Pipedrive is a powerful CRM tool, but before you make the decision to buy, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. In this video, I'm going to break down those points and compare it to other CRMs, so you can make a fully informed choice. First off, Pipedrive is designed to make managing your sales pipeline easy. It's one of the most popular CRM tools on the market, and while it's great, it's not for everyone. If you're looking for something that's as intuitive as it gets, this could be the one. However, it's important to know that Pipedrive has a specific focus. It's primarily for small to medium-sized businesses rather than large enterprises like Salesforce or HubSpot. Next thing to consider is its simplicity versus customization. While many CRMs can be overwhelming with endless features, Pipedrive stands out for its clean and simple user interface. But here's the thing. While it's user-friendly, some people feel it lacks advanced customization options that other CRMs provide. If you're someone who loves to deeply personalize every aspect of your CRM, you might find Pipedrive a bit limited compared to others like Zoho or HubSpot. Now, let's talk about integrations. Pipedrive offers more than 300 integrations, making it a strong contender for businesses that rely on third-party tools. It integrates with Google Workspace, Slack, MailChimp, and more, which is great. But it's worth mentioning that the more specialized integrations might require higher-tier plans. So if you're on a tight budget and rely on niche tools, you might have to dig a bit deeper into what's available. The fourth thing you should know is its pricing structure. Pipedrive is a bit more affordable than some competitors. For example, Salesforce and HubSpot can get quite expensive, especially for smaller businesses. Pipedrive starts at a lower monthly rate and scales depending on the features you need. But once again, if you want advanced automation features, you might need to pay for a higher tier plan. Moving on, let's dive into automation. Pipedrive offers sales automation tools that can save you time by automating routine tasks, like follow-ups and emails. But compared to other CRMs, like HubSpot, which has more robust automation tools, Pipedrive's options might feel a bit basic. If you're a business that depends heavily on automation to streamline processes, you might want to test the limits of Pipedrive's features before committing. Another point to consider is its mobile experience. Pipedrive has a solid mobile app, which is crucial if you're constantly on the go. The app is well rated and gives you access to almost all the features available on the desktop version. However, some users report occasional glitches, particularly when syncing data. If you rely heavily on mobile access for your sales process, this is something to keep in mind. The 7th and final point is Pipedrive's customer support. While it's generally good, it's not quite as extensive as what you get from competitors like Salesforce or Zoho. Pipedrive offers 24/7 support, but some users have mentioned that getting detailed answers or solutions might take a little longer than expected. So if fast, in-depth support is a must for your business, you might find this a little lacking. So if you're looking for a CRM that's affordable, simple, and effective for managing a small to medium-sized sales team, Pipedrive is definitely worth considering. But before you make a final decision, make sure to take advantage of the free trial linked below to explore Pipedrive's features and see if it's the right fit for your needs. If you want to try out Pipedrive and get some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description to access